Good morning, student. Today's topic is specific heat of a polyatomic gases. For the proof of this, we take a average energy of each molecule in terms of degree of freedom F divided by 2 kb into T. Then again, internal energy of 1 mole of a gas is represented by U equals to F divided by 2 kb T into N, where R equals to kb into N, then internal energy becomes U equals to F divided by 2 into RT. Now we calculate the specific heat at constant volume, which is given as Cv equals to d divided by dt U. It means internal energy का हम डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे विद रेस्पेक्ट टू कैपिटल टी, यानी डी डिवाइड बाय डी टी एफ डिवाइड बाय 2 आर एंड टी, दैट मीन्स इज इक्वल्स टू एफ डिवाइड बाय 2 इंटू आर. नाउ स्पेसिफिक हीट एट कांस्टेंट pressure Cp equals to Cv plus R using Mayer's formula. Cp minus Cv equals to R. Now put the value of Cv, F divided by 2 into R plus R, that means F by 2 plus 1 and common कर लीजिए R quantity. Now taking ratio of two specific heat, gamma equals to Cp divided by Cv equals to, substitute the value of Cp and Cv, F divided by 2 plus 1 into R divided by F by 2 R, that means F by 2 plus 1 divided by F by 2, that means value of the specific heat ratio 1 plus 2 divided by F. Now the specific heat ratio depends on the degree of freedom. If degree of freedom equals to degree of freedom for 1 mole and a monatomic gas is 3, then it becomes 1 by 1.66. Now do some numerical based on specific heat ratio. 1 mole of monoatomic gas is mixed with 3 moles of a diatomic gas. What is the molecular specific heat of the mixture at constant volume? Value of R given at 8.31 joule per mole and Kelvin. Now for the monatomic gas, Cv equals to 3 by 2 R, where N equals to 1 moles, एंड डायटोमिक गैस सी वी डैश कंसिडर कर लीजिए. ये डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम है 5 होता है इसका, तो 5 बाई 2 इंटू आर, एंड डैश की वैल्यू कितनी है 3, यहाँ की हुई ना 3 मोल्स. इसे लिख दीजिए कैपिटल सी. ये वर्क करेगा मिक्सचर के लिए. नाउ वी कैलकुलेट द सी वी ऑफ द मिक्सचर व्हेन बोथ द गैसेज मिक्सड. बोथ द गैसेज, द फॉर्मूला इज n Cv plus n dash Cv dash divided by n plus n dash. Substitute the value of n की वैल्यू 1, Cv की वैल्यू 3 by 2 r plus 3 into 2 by 2, 5 by 2 into r, 1 plus 3. सॉल्यूशन करेंगे तो n by 4 into r आ जाएगा. हमें वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है Cv की फॉर मिक्सचर, तो n by 4 into मल्टीपल ऑफ वैल्यू ऑफ r 8.31, that means 18.7 joule per mole and Kelvin. This question is completed. Next numerical is, write down the next numerical. Question number 2. Question number 2. 1 mole of ideal gas. 1 mole of ideal monoatomic gas, gamma equals to 1.5 by 3 is mixed with 1 mole of diatomic gas. Gamma equals to 7 divided by 5. What is gamma for the mixture? In this numerical, we calculate the value of gamma for the mixture when we mix 1 mole of monatomic gas and 1 mole of diatomic solution. Gamma equals to Cp divided by Cv, and Cp can be written as Cv plus R divided by Cv. That means 1 plus R divided by Cv. Now we work on first we will calculate value of Cv. Now interchange this, then the value of Cv equals to R divided by gamma minus 1. What we do? This means gamma equals to 1 plus R Cv. Interchange this, R Cv divided by 1 minus gamma. Then Cv की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करोगे तो R डिवाइड बाय गामा माइनस 1. नाउ फॉर मोनोएटॉमिक gas Cv, substitute the value of Cv, R divided by gamma minus 1. Value of R as it is, value of gamma which is given 5 by 3 minus K1. The solution is 3 by 2 and R, value of Cv. For same process, diatomic gases. Cv equals to R gamma minus 1. This can be written as Cv dash. Then the value of R as it is, value of gamma 7 by 5 minus K1. That means 5R divided by 2. Now when we mix up, now mixed both the gases, and Cv becomes specified constant volume becomes C and V, C capital. Now calculate the Cv. Cv equals to होगा n types of Cv plus k n dash of Cv dash divided by number of molecules n plus n dash, where n equals to n dash equals to 1. Both the gases have same molecules. It means यहाँ वैल्यू प्लेसेस कर दीजिए n इक्वल्स टू n डैश इक्वल्स टू 1. बोथ द गैसेस हैव सेम मोलिक्यूल, यानी Cv इक्वल्स टू कितना आएगा, वैल्यू ऑफ Cv 3 by 2R प्लस इंटू 1 Cv डैश 5 by 2R डिवाइड बाय नंबर ऑफ मोलिक्यूल्स कितने 1 plus 1. इट मीन्स 2. 1 plus 1 यानी 1 by 2. एडिशन कीजिए 3 by 2 plus के 5 by 2 and R. That means value of Cv equals to 2R. This is the value of specific at constant volume for when we mix up both the gases. Now Cp when both the gases are mixed by Mayer formula Cp plus R, that means 2R plus R, it means 3R. गामा फॉर मिक्स लिख दीजिए यहाँ Cp डिवाइड बाय Cv 3R डिवाइड बाय 2R, दैट मीन्स 1.5. इट मीन्स गामा मिक्स कितनी आ गई, वैल्यू है 1.5. दिस न्यूमेरिकल इज completed. Now one more numerical is question number 3. A gases mixture consists of 16 gram of helium and 16 gram of oxygen find the ratio of Cp divided by Cv of the mixture. Now solution of this numerical. First one, calculate the number of molecules for helium and oxygen. Number of molecules, number of moles of helium, that means masses divided by atomic number or whole number, it means 4. Same way, number of moles of oxygen, 16 divided by 32, that means 1 by 2. First one, for monoatomic gas, degree of freedom F equals to 3. Then CV equals to आएगा 3 by 2 and R for diatomic. Diatomic gas degree of freedom is F equals to 5. Then CV equals to 5 by 2 and R. Now CV for mixture, that means CV यहाँ मिक्सचर लिख दीजिए. फॉर्मूला इज n टाइम्स ऑफ, इसे प्लेस कर दीजिए n1 और इसे कर दीजिए n2. तो n1 CV1, n2 CV2, इसे CV2 लिख दीजिए एंड डिवाइड बाय n1 प्लस n2. वैल्यू प्लेस कर दीजिए. 4 इंटू CV1 की वैल्यू आई हमारे पास 3 by 2 R प्लस n2 की वैल्यू कितनी है 1 by 2 इंटू CV2 की वैल्यू 5 by 2 एंड R डिवाइड में 4 प्लस 1 by 2. इसका सॉल्यूशन करेंगे तो CV मिक्सचर की जो वैल्यू आएगी, वैल्यू है 29 डिवाइड बाय शॉर्ट आउट दिस एंड द वैल्यू इज 29 डिवाइड बाय 18 R. नाउ फॉर मिक्सचर गामा कैलकुलेट करेंगे मिक्सचर के लिए. वैल्यू लगा दीजिए. गामा इक्वल टू होता है CP डिवाइड बाय CV और इट कैन बी रिटन है 1 प्लस R डिवाइड बाय CV. यहाँ CV जो आएगा मिक्सचर के लिए आएगा. वैल्यू प्लेसेस कर दीजिए 1 प्लस R डिवाइड बाय 29 डिवाइड बाय 18 और ये R. दैट मीन्स वैल्यू ऑफ गामा इक्वल्स टू 47 divided by 29, that means 1.62. This number is completed and topic is complete.